Both in commercial and residential settings, the installation of flooring can be challenging due to surface preparation requirements along with non-user-friendly installation materials including flooring adhesives. To bring ease to the flooring installation process, Dow presents DIAMONDLOCK, a new flooring adhesive designed for pourability, ease in troweling, improved coverage rates, and quick cure times for faster return to service. DIAMONDLOCK is a one-component, moisture-cured polyurethane adhesive currently available in both same-day and next-day return-to-service options. It is specifically formulated to adhere to rubber, concrete, luxury vinyl tiles, artificial turf, as well as wood and engineered wood products. Leveraging the power of Dow's people and Dow's technical capabilities, DIAMONDLOCK flooring adhesive was created to exhibit key advantages over the competition. More coverage per gallon of material. Easy to pour. Easy to trowel while still maintaining ridges through novel particle packing technology. Sustainable product design. Can contribute to LEED credits, non-detectable VOC, low odor, and non-flammable. Meets the needs of same-day or next-day return-to-service requirements. Improved durability. With the ability to stretch without failure, the adhesive can naturally move with the floor, protecting it from damage and stress. User-friendly application. Formulated as a one-component moisture-cure product, no mixing required, just open and go. It's clear, through these product performance features, DIAMONDLOCK outperforms the competition, resulting in user-friendly, fast, and efficient flooring installation. Contact us to learn more about how DIAMONDLOCK can improve your installation process today.